Hello everyone, and welcome to bonus break number 99 for the 2020 Gold Rush Autograph 16 by 20 Multi-Sport Edition. I want to thank everyone for joining our previous breaks, for making this break happen, and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. It's 10:45 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:45 p.m. Central Time, and 7:45 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Midmo, ICT, Shopper, Arts, Any, KS, Hat Trick, KA, Staple, Hess, Ravishing, Freebie, TI Boy, George, RTL, Thunder, Huge Hit Cards, Jamal, Sork Fanatic, Staple, Dab, Dust Bar, Mo, Spa, Robberman, BH Ren, Sky Davis, Pup, Mellow Stello, Larso, and last but not least, Jay Dealum. Alright, so before we start randomizing, let's see what we have on the inside. Last couple bonus breaks have been team autos. Guessing football right off the bat. Yeah, if you want to guess what sport you think's on the inside, if you guess correctly, we'll get you a P2J koozie. Football, bowling. Now I kind of hope it's bowling. I haven't seen bowling, but that would be a little Pete Weber action. Let's see who's right. It's football. Who guessed football? Michael with the first guess, too. Alright, let's see what we have here. We'll go backwards for a second. There's our cert number. I'm not the camera. Doug Faluti. Boston College. There we go. Doug Faluti. Check that out. Very cool. Boston College. Let's see who's going to take home the Doug Flutie Auto 16 by 20. Alright, so we have Midmo on top, Jay Dealum on the bottom. So we're going to randomize this list first 7 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Staple on top, Mellow Stello on the bottom. Now we're going to randomize spots 1 through 30, and wherever spot number 1 ends up, Doug Flutie is coming to you. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has spot 29 on top, spot 14 on the bottom. Alright, who has spot number 1? J. Dealum, Doug Flutie, autograph 16 by 20. Congrats. On bonus break number 99 in the 2020 Gold Rush, autograph 16 by 20. We want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. And we're on to bonus 100. Bonus 100 is going to be an autographed football jersey. Bonus 100. This is the first round edition autographed football jersey. This football jersey is autographed by a first round draft pick. So be sure to check that out. And we'll see you all very soon. Thanks.